Good morning to one and all. Myself, Dr. Praveen Meshram, working as an associate professor and head, Department of Environmental Science at Sevadal Mahila Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. I would like to welcome all the delegates to this oral presentation of the International E-Conference on Environment Sustainability and Teaching Tools in COVID-19 Scenario, organized by Jagdamba College of Engineering in association with Sevadal Mahila Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. The topic of my presentation is the climate smart agriculture for reduction and mitigation of greenhouse gas emission. As we all know that agriculture is always related to the food security on this planet. It has been observed that productivity is adversely affected by the climate change, which is the ultimate result of global warming. Global warming is nothing but the result of the emission of the greenhouse gases due to the anthropogenic and the man-made activities. Among these, agricultural sector also contributes significantly to the emission of the greenhouse gases. Here I would like to summarize all these anthropogenic activities. The major sources of the greenhouse gas emissions are nothing but the carbon dioxide, methane and nitrous oxide. Vehicular exhaust, furnaces of the power plant, fossil fuel burning and breathing by animals contribute 9% of the carbon dioxide. Then second important gas which contributes greenhouse effect, that is nothing but the methane, mainly enters from the coal mine which contributes 45%. And the third major gas, that is nothing but the nitrous oxide, mainly enters are from the soils, oceans, biomass burning, nitrogenous fertilizers, emission from the industrial processes, and urban waste landfill contributes around 46%. United Nations of Environmental Protection Agency has summarized, especially for developing countries, well-planned research agricultural technology has the tremendous potential to the changing climate condition for improving its productivity. It also helps to contributing to the mitigation in the emission of the greenhouse gases, thus attending a sustainable agricultural development. And this is known as the climate smart agriculture. This is a totally new approach nowadays for transferring and reorienting agriculture production system and the food value chains so that they support the basic concept of the sustainable development. There are some few important methods of the climate smart agriculture which are highlighted in this paper. All these methods are environmental friendly with the hope of its wide acceptance in our country. Finally, I would like to give the brief conclusion of this my presentation. That is nothing but the global warming due to the increasing emission of the greenhouse gases because of the anthropogenic and the man-made activities. All these activities are responsible for disturbing the cycles which are operating in nature from long time. The ultimate consequences are the loss of economy, resources of food, security and threat to the human life. Among the various anthropogenic activities, agricultural sector is predominantly contributing to the emission of the greenhouse gases. On the other hand, agriculture also helps to potential to reduce as well as the mitigation of emission of the greenhouse gases and contribute to the reduction in global warming by applying the eco-friendly technologies. I am also thankful to the convener and the organizing secretary which has organized this conference within a very short period of time. Thanks for the opportunity which is given to me.
Thanks to all.
Thanks to all.